This simple sensory play invites your baby to explore different textures using their hands and feet. By touching soft flour, splashing in water or feeling the grains of rice, your little one activates multiple senses at the same time. The purpose is to stimulate your baby's sense of touch and support early sensory development in a safe and playful way. The benefits for baby are to enhance tactile awareness by experiencing soft, wet, and grainy textures, to support fine and gross motor skills as baby moves hands and feet through different materials, to encourage curiosity and exploration, building early cognitive connections, to help with sensory processing, teaching the brain to interpret new sensation, and to promote focus and calmness to slow and repetitive movements. Why the sensory activities are great? Because the sensory play doesn't have to be complicated. Simple materials like flour, water, rice, sand, um, I don't know, wherever you think it's safe for the baby, are enough to offer rich learning experiences for babies.